Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. All of you open your workbook, volume 1. English workbook, volume 1, page number 45. Wait, I will give later that bit. First take your page number 42. Open your workbook, page number 42. Pinocchio the puppet. Pinocchio the puppet. Puppet means, what is a puppet? Puppet is a model of a man or an animal. A model. Puppet is a model. Amma puppet should చూసారా ఎప్పుడు మీరు? Puppet should చూసారా? Actually, one of the model is imaginary figure is there. It can move by strings. Amma puppet అంటే ఒక imaginary figure అది. One like a doll. Puppet is like a doll. Sorry, not imaginary. It's a figure. It's a teddy bear like teddy bear. It's a model. Puppet is a model. Model of a human or a animal. We can move the puppet. The puppet can move by moving its strings. అంటే దానికి దారం కట్టి మనం దాన్ని అటు ఇటు మూవ్ చేస్తుంటాం. చాలా అట్లాంటి పప్పెట్ షో చాలా జరుగుతుంటాయి. ఓకే, హ్యావ్ యు సీన్ ఎనీ పప్పెట్ షో? హ్యావ్ యు సీన్? నో? Some of the puppet shows are shown. Have you seen Panchatantra? Panchatantra stories ఎప్పుడు విన్నారా? టీవీలలో చూసారా పంచతంత్ర? పంచతంత్ర కథలు ఎప్పుడు వినలేదా? మన ఈ టీవీలో వచ్చేది పంచతంత్ర కథలు అని. ఇన్ ద పంచతంత్ర స్టోరీస్ యూ కెన్ సీ ద పప్పెట్స్. పప్పెట్స్ మీకు కనబడుతుంటాయి, బొమ్మలు కనబడుతుంటాయి. దే ఆర్ ద పప్పెట్స్. దే ఆర్ నాట్ ద లివింగ్ థింగ్స్. పప్పెట్స్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ కాదు. మనం వాటిని ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ దారం కట్టి ఎలా అంటే అలా మూవ్ చేస్తుంటారు. అంటే పప్పెట్ని మూవ్ చేసే మాస్టర్ ఉంటాడు అక్కడ. పప్పెట్ మాస్టర్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఓకే, a puppet master can move the puppet. Okay, now come to the story. Geppetto was a poor carpenter who made his living making puppets. Puppets are made by wood. Here a poor carpenter is there. Who is that poor carpenter? Geppetto. Geppetto is a poor carpenter. He is making the puppets. What is his work? He is making the puppets. In the first blank write making. Making. He is making the puppets with the wood. Okay. Next, he was carving a puppet. Carving means a sculpture may carve the stone into a beautiful sculpture. A sculpture అంటే ఇప్పుడు స్టోన్స్ ఉంటాయారా, స్టోన్స్ని రాక్స్ని ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫిగర్లో చెక్కుతుంటారు. రాక్ని బండలని కానీ ఒక అందమైన ఫిగర్లో చెక్కుతుంటారు. By breaking that stone, that is called carving. Okay, he too, the carpenter also, he is also making a puppet, and he is carving that puppet into a beautiful shape. Here carving, second blank is carving. Out of wood in his workshop, suddenly the wood squealed. One of the wood squeal ante he is crying. Squeal is a sound. he is carving the puppet. While he is carving the puppet, suddenly one of the puppet squealed. Actually, it is not living thing, no? Puppets are not living things. They are the models. Man made them. They are not the living things. But one of the puppet suddenly made the cry. Ouch! That hurts. The puppet was alive. Understand me? One of the puppet was shouting. Oh, it is hurting. When he is carving అంటే ఒక చిన్న నేల్స్ అని తీసుకొని ఇట్లా కార్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు దాన్ని. ఓకే, అంటే దాన్ని బ్రేక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. While he is doing like that, puppet made that sound, cried, "Ouch! That's hurt. That is hurting." Geppetto was shocked about the puppet. Puppet was alive. Alive means it is talking. It is a living thing. How it is possible? Puppet is not a living thing. It is a man-made thing, like doll, toys, dolls. Avanni elago puppet kuda is one of the man-made thing. It is not living thing. But suddenly it is talking, no? So carpenter was shocked. Is it alive? Is it alive? Is he a living thing? He was shocked. And Geppetto named the puppet Pinocchio. It is a living thing now? That's what. It's talking now. Means he is a living thing. మాట్లాడుతుంది అంటే అది living thing కదరా. So that day onwards, Geppetto named the puppet as a Pinocchio. Geppetto ఆ puppet కు ఒక పేరు పెట్టాడు. ఏమని? Pinocchio. And also he is keeping, Geppetto keeping the puppet in his house as his son. He is taking care about the puppet as his son. తన కొడుకు లాగానే ఆ puppet ను పెంచుతున్నాడు. Okay, and given the name of, what is the name? Pinocchio. What's the name of puppet? Pinocchio. Okay. Pinocchio wanted to be like other boys and wanted to go to school. He is growing. Pinocchio also growing. One day he saw remaining all the boys in the village. Village lo unna boys andaru school ki వెళ్ళడం చూసాడు. Pinocchio also wanted to go to school along with all the boys. He asked his father. Who is the father? Geppetto. Geppetto is father now. Pinocchio asked his father, "Shall I go further to school along with my friends?" Like that, Pinocchio asked. Okay, next. Geppetto sold his coat to send him to school. He was a poor carpenter, no? Geppetto was a poor carpenter. He don't have money. That's what he sold his coat. He sold his coat, and he wants to send Pinocchio to school. తన కోట్ అమ్మేసి వచ్చిన డబ్బుతో పినోచియోని స్కూల్ పంపించేస్తాడు. ఓకే. One day on his way to school, Pinocchio saw a puppet showing progress. He longed to see it, but the ticket costed 4 pence. Pinocchio sold his books to get the money. He joined the puppets on stage and decided to stay with them. Okay. One of the day, Pinocchio, while he is coming back from the school, he saw one of the puppet show. Puppet progress means he saw the banner. There is a puppet show is going to show like that. He saw one of the banner. So he wants to see that puppet show. Understand? Pinocchio wanted to see the show, puppet show. But the ticket cost is there, no? Local entry ticket cost is there. But what is the ticket cost? The ticket cost is 4 pence. 4 rupees, you must think. The ticket cost is 4 rupees. So he has to enter into the puppet show, means he has to buy the ticket. Puppet show చూడాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక టికెట్ కొనుక్కోవాలి. That's what he sold his books. His father sold his coat and brought the books now. Okay, what he is doing? Pinocchio sold his books. Then books and ammesi, he got the money now. With that money, he bought the ticket and entered into the puppet show. He saw the puppet show. He liked that. He saw the puppet show and he liked it. Okay, that day onwards, he wants to stay along with the puppets. He wants to stay there only with the puppets. He enjoyed the puppet show a lot. So he wants to stay there only. So he is staying there only. Akkade undipoyadi. Okay, next what happened you see. Later that day, Giovanni, the puppet master, a fearsome looking man, needed wood. Amma. Yo, sorry Nana. Third blank is school. Fourth blank is books. And fifth blank is wood. Sixth blank is about. And seventh blank is set up. Giovanni, the puppet master, a fearsome looking man, needed wood for the fire. He chose Pinocchio as firewood. Pinocchio begged and pleaded to the spirit, telling him about his poor father. Giovanni gave Pinocchio 5 gold coins to give his father to buy a coat. Gratefully taking the coins, Pinocchio said goodbye to Giovanni and his puppet friends and set off for home. Where he was now? He was at the puppet friends. He saw his friends now. తన puppet friends కలిసారు కదా, వాళ్ళతో దగ్గరే ఉండిపోయాడు. After some days, అమ్మ పప్పెట్స్ వాటంతా వాడవే ఆడవు. పప్పెట్ మాస్టర్ ఉంటాడు వాటిని ప్లే చేయడానికి. Puppet master is there to play them. Here also puppet master is there. What is the puppet master name? Giovanni. Giovanni is the puppet master name. Giovanni was a fearful man. చూస్తేనే చాలా భయమేస్తుందని చూస్తే అలా డేంజర్గా డేంజర్గా కనబడుతుంటాడు. అంటే ఫియర్ఫుల్గా చాలా డిగ్నిఫైడ్గా కనబడుతుంటాడు. One of the day, Giovanni wanted firewood. Amma, he needed firewood to make his food. He needed the firewood to cook his food. At that time, he don't have the wood. The wood level. So he wanted to keep Pinocchio. He wanted to keep the Pinocchio in the fire. Understand me? One of the day, he doesn't have the firewood. Puppet master doesn't have the firewood. That's what he want to keep. Piyojino is a wood thing, no? మా పప్పెట్స్ అన్నీ వుడ్తో తయారైతే అని చెప్పాను కదా, అవన్నీ ప్లే చేసే వాటిని ఎందుకు పెడతాడు? వాడు యూజ్ చేసి పెట్టాడు కదా. ఇట్ ఇస్ యూస్లెస్ వన్. పియోచినో ఇస్ ద యూస్లెస్ వన్. ఇది ఏం చేయట్లేదు, వాడు తనకి ఏం హెల్ప్ చేయట్లేదు. ఆ ప్లేయింగ్ ఇది లేదు, జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆడియన్స్. పియోచినో ఇస్ ద ఆడియన్స్ అంతే. ఆ పప్పెట్స్ అన్నీ ప్లే చేస్తుంటాయి, ఈ పియోచినో చూస్తూ ఉంటాడు అంతే. సో హీ విల్ కీప్. నో, వాడు యూజ్ చేసే పెట్టాడురా. వాడు గేమ్లో యూజ్ చేసేవి ఎందుకు పెట్టుకుంటాడు? పియోచినో ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా. నో, దట్స్ వాట్ హీ వాంట్ టు కీప్ పియోచినో ఇన్ ద ఫైర్. ఓకే, వెన్ హీ ఈస్ కట్టింగ్ దట్, he wants to cut the పియోచినో into pieces. ఆ పియోచినో మొత్తం డైరెక్ట్గా పెట్టలేం కదా మనము ఫైర్లో. సో he wants to cut that పియోచినో into small pieces. He is ready with his pad. Whenever he is coming to cut, soon after పియోచినో said about his, he talked. పియోచినో talked to the master and he said about his old father, poor father. Understand? Whenever puppet master is ready to cut the పియోచినో, soon after పియోచినో talked and said about his poor father. He said about the poor carpenter. వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ గురించి చెప్తాడు. Then puppet master also felt pity on poor farmer and gave 5 gold coins to the puppet. Okay, and asked him to buy a coat. Ask the puppet to buy a coat for his father. ఎందుకు 5 gold coins ఇచ్చాడు? To buy a coat for his father. Okay, then he asked him to go back to his house. Now puppet పియోచినో is coming back, setting back to his house and he wanted to buy a coat to his father. He said a goodbye to his puppet friends. That is the story about the పియోచినో. Next, come to the essay writing skills. Distinguish between greed and ambition. Why is ambition important? What are the disadvantages of being a greedy person? Can you write another story related to greediness? Amma, which is good, greedy or ambition? Amma, greedy means wanting again and again, not satisfied with anyone. Greedy brings always unhappiness. We need ambition, not greediness. In our life, we need the ambition. మన లైఫ్లో మనకి ఏముండాలిరా? ambition ఉండాలి. Then only we get the success. So you must write about your ambition. Must write about your ambition. And what are the disadvantages of greedy person? By writing a story. Understand me? You must write a story about the greediness. మీరు చాలా స్టోరీస్ విన్నారు, చాలా గ్రీడీనెస్ సంబంధించిన స్టోరీస్ చాలా విన్నారు కదా. యూ మస్ట్ రైట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోరీ అబౌట్ ద గ్రీడీనెస్. గ్రీడీనెస్ గురించి ఒక స్టోరీ రాయండి. ఫైనల్లీ యూ మస్ట్ రైట్ అబౌట్ యువర్ అంబిషన్ ఆల్సో. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ అంబిషన్ అండ్ హౌ డు యూ గెట్ దట్? రైట్ బోత్. రైట్ ఏ స్టోరీ అబౌట్ ద గ్రీడీనెస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేస్. You can form an adjective proper noun when you do your capitalized and adjective. Rewrite the words which have to be capitalized. Leave the rest as they are. Amma, for example, American movies. Amma, American. America is a country name. That is a proper name. Proper noun. Anna, America, India, England, and person names, places names are the proper nouns. What is your name? Ravali. Ravali is the proper name. What is our country name? India. India is also proper name. For the proper noun, we have to use a capital letter. ఖచ్చితంగా మన ఇండియాకి ఫస్ట్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ పెడతామా ఇండియా ఇలా రాస్తామా Is this correct? No, first letter should be capital letter because this is a proper noun. Indian culture. So India is a proper noun, no? Indian culture. I should be capital because this is a proper noun. Okay, here American movies is given. Have you seen? American movies. Is this correct? American movies. Is this correct, Nana? What is missed? Capital is missed because America is a country name. It's a proper noun, so we have to use capital letter. For the proper nouns, use capital letter. Here, for all these sentences, you must use capital letter where they are needed. Not all the words needed capital letter. Some words are needed capital letter. Rewrite them. Okay? Italian cushion. Italian, Italy is also proper noun now. So first letter should be capital letter. Write down. Capital letter is Italian cushion. Iris race. Iris. Iran, iris. That is also proper noun. Write down. Capital letter. Irish lace. German cars. German is also proper noun. Germany, German. So capital letter. German cars. English countryside. English is also proper noun. మీరు ఎప్పుడు కానీ తెలుగు సబ్జెక్ట్స్కి తెలుగు రాసిన పిల్లలు రాస్తారా తెలుగు హిందీ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎనీ మ్యాథ్స్ సైన్స్ సోషల్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఫర్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ ద లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఆల్సో తెలుగు హిందీ ఇంగ్లీష్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఫర్ దెమ్ ఆల్సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఖచ్చితంగా అది ఎక్కడైనా సరే క్యాపిటల్ పెట్టాలి Telugu T should be capital. Hindi H should be capital. English E should be capital. Wherever they are, అది ఎక్కడున్నా capital పెట్టాలి. Maths M should be capital. Science S should be capital. Okay? For the subjects and also for the languages, you have to use capital letter. Here English countryside. English countryside. Next, newspaper go down. Newspaper is not the proper noun. Newspaper is not the proper noun. Deccan newspaper anochindalkora. Then you have to take the capital D because Deccan is the proper noun. But here only newspaper is there now, so no need to use. Write it as usual. Newspaper go down. Dirty cup. We have to use capital letter. Dirty cup. Is there any proper noun? No. Normal write down. Dirty cup. African culture. Africa is the proper noun. No? Write down. Africa. African culture. African culture. Next, intelligent boy. Any proper is there? Proper noun is there? No. So intelligent boy only. Intelligent boy. These are the adjective. Intelligent is the adjective. African, I'll explain later. You must find out. French cuisine. F capital. Next, Mexican tiles. Mexico is the proper noun. So, M should be capital. Mexican tiles. Next, Californian sunshine. California is also proper noun. Californian sunshine. Next, sunny beach. There is no proper noun. Sunny beach only. Sunny beach. Next, Arjona tree. Arizona tree. This is also proper name. Argentina, Arizona. Arizona tree. Shimla oranges. Shimla is also proper noun. No? Shimla oranges. Shimla oranges. Car factory. There is no proper noun. Car factory only. Car factory. Next, Japanese houses. J capital. Here I am writing up. Japanese. J capital. Japanese houses. Here Nana. What are the adjectives? Adjectives describe about the noun. Adjective describe about the noun. Noun which shaped adjective noun. Here, cuisine is the adjective noun. Italian cuisine. Italian is adjective. Lace. Which lace? Irish lace. Irish is the adjective. Cars. Which cars? German. German is the adjective. Countryside. Which countryside? English countryside. English here adjective. Go down. Which go down? Newspaper go down. Newspaper is here is adjective. These are the adjectives. Actually, మనం adjectives మనం capital పెట్టాం. But we can keep these capitals because they are the proper nouns. Okay, proper adjectives. These are the proper adjectives. So we kept capital letter. Have you completed your writing? Okay, complete your writing, Nana. Today's class is completed. Bye.